let's continue our chapter Delhi, the capital of India. Our first topic is climatic condition. So let's learn about what is the climate of Delhi. The climate of Delhi is hot and dry during summer season and cold in winter season. So it is hot and dry in summer and cold in winter season. And during the months of May and June, hot and dry winds called Lu blow here. So what happens in the month of May and June? Hot and dry winds blow in Delhi, and these hot and dry winds are called Lu. The rainfall is during the months of July, August and September due to summer monsoon winds. So in the month of July, August and September, rainfall is there, and that is happening because of the summer monsoon winds. The next topic is government offices. So the president, the prime minister, other ministers and senior officers of the government of the India live and have their offices in Delhi. So whatever the senior officers, the main high officials like president, prime ministers and other ministers, they all live in Delhi, and they have their offices also in New Delhi only. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President, in Hindi we call President as Rashtrapati. So this is a place where the President resides, or the President lives in at this place, and this is known as Rashtrapati Bhavan. And it is built on the top of Raisina Hills. So this President House which is known as Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is built on the top of Raisina Hills. And it has a beautiful garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and this garden is known as Mughal Garden. So you can see the picture of a Mughal garden over here. The two blocks of Central Secretariat are near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So there are two blocks of Central Secretariat which are near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and these two blocks are North Block and South Block. The sessions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. This is a picture of Parliament House. Okay. So the sessions which are of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they are held in the Parliament House. So as I told you that these are the two blocks of the Central Secretariat which are near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and this one is North Block and this one is South Block, and the office of Prime Minister of India, that is in South Block. This one which is a South Block. So the office of Prime Minister of India is in South Block, and other ministers, other senior officers or some other ministers, they also have their offices in these two blocks of the Central Secretariat. And the Parliament House is near the North Block. This is the Parliament House where the sessions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held, and this one is near the North Block. Now the next is there are other government offices are also there. Other countries' government offices are also in Delhi, and these government offices are known as embassies. So the government of other countries in the world have their offices in New Delhi, and they are known as embassies or high commission. So here you can see the embassy. Vietnam embassy is there, and in this picture it is embassy of United States of America. So other government offices of government of other countries, they also have their offices in New Delhi only, and these offices are known as embassies or high commission. So in this map you can see this is a place, Chanakyapuri embassy map, and the red flags are all the embassies. So you can see there are so many embassies which are in Chanakyapuri. So most of the offices of embassies or high commissions are in Chanakyapuri. Now let's learn about people, their religion and culture. So people from all over the country, from north, south, east, west, so from all the different places, they come and they stay in Delhi. And for what purpose everyone wants to come and stay in Delhi? The reason is for better education and for the purpose of job. So these are the two main reasons why people are attracted to Delhi. They want to come and they live there. So the reasons are better education and job. Thus, just because of this, as people are getting attracted to Delhi, the Delhi is full of people with different faiths and religions. So there are a mix of religion which is happening in Delhi. That is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. So people from all the different religions come and stay in Delhi, and all the important festivals are celebrated here. So because people of different faiths are coming and staying together at this place, so all the important festivals are also celebrated at this place. So people of different state who come and stay here, they celebrate their own festivals. So what is happening? Everyone is celebrating their own important festivals. That is why, as Delhi is celebrating all the main festivals and people of different religions are celebrating their festivals, Delhi is called Mini India. Why? Because people of different states who come and stay here celebrate their own festival and they speak their own religion language also. Now, if we talk about what are the main languages which are spoken here, these are Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, English. So these are the four main languages which are spoken in Delhi. That is Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English. And if we talk about the clothes, mostly people wear western dresses. So these dresses like coat pant is known as a western dresses, like this. Can you see in this picture? The boy and girl, they are wearing western dress. But it is not about the western dress only. Men generally wear trousers and shirts, and women wear saris. This picture is of saris. Salwar kameez, like this. And jeans top. In this picture you can see the girl is wearing jeans top. Skirts and many other western dresses are also worn here. Now I'll just in this assessment corner, I'm not going to give you any answers. You have to tell me, you just comment and tell me what is the correct answer. What I'll do is I'll just write down the answer in the description, and you can ask me also by commenting if it is right or not. That is up to you. So I'm going to give you the questions and you have to tell me what is the correct answer. The first question is, name the main languages spoken by the people in Delhi. Second, the office of Prime Minister of India is located in the dash. Third, President of India lives in the dash. Fourth, most of the embassies are located in dash. Fifth, hot and dry winds are called dash. Number 6, Rashtrapati Bhavan is built on top of dash. And the last question is, the sessions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held in dash. So just all the best for your assessment. Let's see who gives all the correct answers. All the best. Bye-bye. And we'll meet in the last session of Delhi, the capital of India, next time. Take care.